Shannon, congratulations, Adran
Thank
Premier
you.
Player of the Season. Just how does it feel?
Oh, honestly, it feels amazing. I didn't think, even though I was nominated, I didn't think for a second I would win that award tonight. But yeah, extremely proud.
And it caps off quite an unbelievable year for you, coming back to Cardiff, playing week in, week out, winning club awards, now winning this award. Just, could you have envisaged the season you've had?
Absolutely not. It's been a crazy season personally and as a team. I've played football for a number of years now. I've never experienced like a league win or even I've experienced a cup win before, but not a double. So to do that when I thought I was going to retire as well, it's just been unreal, to be fair.
Well, fine one for me. I remember in Newport, you said you were thinking about retirement
Yeah.
before this season. Just when you look back on that now, just how mad do you think about where you've progressed in such a year?
I think if it wasn't for my partner and the chairman, I wouldn't be here today. So I got to thank them mainly. And obviously the girls behind me as well. Couldn't have got any of these awards without them. So yeah, it's been an incredible season. One to remember.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.